Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make braided pizza. Braided pizza is just a pizza, but you have to braid it. So let's see the ingredients to make our braided hair. Braided pizza. First, to prepare our dough, we need to activate the yeast. Yeast will not grow in hot water or cold water. That's why we're making warm water. Time to activate the yeast. The yeast will eat the sugar, so then only the yeast will grow. So first I'm gonna add the sugar. Next is the dry yeast. Let's mix it. Let's wait for 5 minutes. The yeast got activated well. Now it's time to make our dough. I've added 2 cups of maida. Now let's add salt to taste. I like garlic powder, so I'm gonna add it in too. It is optional. Now let's add our yeast to make sure. By the way, mix it well. Hello, baby girl. Paw, baby. Yeah. Hello. Yay. Look at the dough. Yes, you're happy baby. Baby girl. Happy baby. Are you? I'm done kneading it. Rest it for 2 hours and keep it in a warm place. While this 2 hours, I'm gonna play with my baby sister. Yay! Is that the dough? Baby wants to eat it? Not yet. You need to have some teeth to eat. Yeah. It's been 2 hours and the dough has doubled its size. Now just knead it for 1 minute again. Now let's make our filling. I took in some pizza sauce and I already added it in. So next I'm gonna add the veggies. I have some veggies over here, but you can add whatever veggies you want. I'm gonna pour in olives, green pepper, some onions, some yellow pepper, and some orange pepper. Oh yeah, there's also red pepper in it. And finally, some seasoning. Now add loads of cheese. Now mix it. Wait, I need a spoon again. Let me go get one. Let's mix it. I'm done mixing the stuffings together. Now it's time to make the braided dough. Dust it with dry flour and make it into an oval so it is easy to braid the pizza. Now it's time to put the filling in. Now it's time to cut it. Now let's braid it. We're done, but we're just missing one step. We have to bake it. Preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 20 minutes. Let's go. It's time to taste the braided pizza. Yummy! The braided pizza is so delicious. The mozzarella cheese is so cheesy. And the vegetables look like they're well cooked and so fresh. You guys also try this recipe right now. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Bye! Do you also want to taste, Jelly? Yeah! Right? Does pizza look yummy? Yeah? Yes! The pizza looks so yummy, right? Yeah. Cheesy pizza. Yes. You want to touch it? Baby girl. Yeah. You love the braided pizza? Love it? Yeah. Yes. Yay, baby girl. Yep. Whoa, you flipped it. Yeah.